Today, we will answer to the commonly asked question, which oil is good for dandruff? Later, in this video, we will also share best anti-dandruff treatment, or DIY for dandruff and dry scalp. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video as we are going to start. So the answer to today's question is eucalyptus oil. Yes, eucalyptus oil is best for dandruff. Let's check how. A scalp with low levels of ceramide may be susceptible to dandruff. Anecdotal evidence suggests that eucalyptus oil can increase the ceramide content of your scalp, thereby reducing dandruff. Further, a 2012 report published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Tropical Disease indicated that eucalyptus oil has antifungal and antiseptic properties that can act as an anti-dandruff treatment. Now, it's time to share best anti-dandruff treatment, or DIY for dandruff and dry scalp, with you. For this treatment, you will need 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil, and 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil. Now, what you have to do is mix the eucalyptus oil with coconut oil. Now, apply this oil blend to your scalp. After application, leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. And then, wash your hair thoroughly with plain water. For best results, you have to repeat this method 2 to 3 times a week. In our upcoming video, we will share garlic treatment for dandruff. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.